Rose falls back ever so slightly. Seal trying to dive down the inside, perhaps. Can he find a way through? Simonson sees it coming, covers him off. Can Seal do the up and under? Coming into the home straight, they get side by side. There's a touch there, and they both spin off. And it's a big crash for John Seal and Simonson. Seal goes over the barrier, and that is not what you want to see.
The lights are about to change. It's going to be 7 laps then to get the Galaxy Entertainment Macau GT Cup Race 1 underway. There's contact straight away as Imperatori goes between the Mercedes. He comes to the outside line. There's drama in the background. Darrell Young is involved. There's mayhem into the first corner. Adony Fong is involved in all of that as well. There's going to be a stoppage, and so is Eduardo.
The white flag potentially this time. Cofight right to the back bumper. Jesse Love battling hard, trying to not give his teammate any room down low, protecting that line. Oh, we got big trouble on the front straightaway.
This sensational battle for 4th place backwards. Jake Callum starting to check out now. New fast lap of the race. I think now it's gone to possibly Callum. Oh, goodness me! Oh, goodness me!
Thirds at Thruxton. Yeah, first time we'd seen him on the podium, then he won at Cadwell, and he just was starting to
he's down! Did he clip it down?
Oh
no, he's wiped
Huge
out Dan
crash.
Linford through the chicane as well. It's not what you want to see. And poor Dan Linford, he does just move there to get up. I hope he's okay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness me.
So that was.
Is there somebody else down?
And the Marquez here. He tips it in. Wow! Wow! Oh, dearie me. Unbelievable.
And this is Eileen coming through. Yep. Same view. Ooh, she really carried some speed. That was sizable. This is Anthony DiCarlo getting off over there and going inverted. And then right behind them, here comes... My goodness.
Lá fora da pista, pode tomar ultrapassagem dali. Tem o toque do Beto com o Roberval.
Roberval com o Beto, os dois líderes.
Roberval e Beto bateram, rodaram, que panca feia ali com o Djalma. Vamos de safety car, caminhão capotado.
The damage done, Peccinini then limping along the track between turn 4 and 5, and it took a long time to get him into the pit lane, still sitting there, which is a real shame because I was massively looking forward to seeing 16-year-old Kai Askey, as all of a sudden Torsten Kratz doesn't get away. There's a massive shot though for Jerome de Sadelier. The front of the car absolutely destroyed, and that was, it looked like Reiter Engineering's car of Freddie Hunt.
It's not over.
It's absolutely a massive pile up here, which is not what we wanted to see at the end of the year in the Michelin Le Mans Cup. But it's Jerome de Sadelier's massive incident, which will be...
As we head into the first turn, it's a decent start for the Scunthorpe Scorpions duo. Can the red car bears hit back? Zane Kennedy.
That's a terrible crash.
Man alive.
These drivers not running into each other, but not giving each other more than an inch. 2 wide, 3 wide behind here. Going for the lead on the outside. Christian Rasmussen.
Stingray Rob hangs on to it. Rasmussen in second. And then there's hard in the wall. Contact with Christian Bogle, and that's a big one.
Vloeistof en staat meer dan 20 ronden lang binnen. Net voor het derde wedstrijduur is er een zware crash. De BMW van Nicolas Konings en de Porsche van Frank Stevens zijn betrokken. Beide rijders...
Guillermo Jorquera que pasa por zona de meta. Ahí va Jorquera en primer lugar. ¡Ay! Se abrió demasiado Ríos. Se volcó Ríos. Se volcó lamentablemente Ríos ahí en la zona de meta.
The side note, coming out of turn 2, just taps the back end of Sam Hammond. Hammond goes into the wall. Unfortunately, nowhere to go for Nathan Hammond, and he rolls over 1, 2, 3, 4.5 times there for Nathan Hammond. We're on board here with Nathan Hammond. Have a look at this from his point of view. This could get really ugly on this shot, unfortunately. Watch this. There it is. Yo, that's huge. That is a big moment there. And just showing just how well these race cars are built. Hammond comes eventually to a stop. And is he able to move out of it? Yes, he is. He climbs out of the race seat.
With one of the Toyotas here. There's one Toyota of Carlos going to the outside, and Mason Philippi just was turning into the corner there when I think
I'm seeing immediate broken steering on the Toyota.
That's a big crash
that is a
for
huge crash for Carlo Marcelli, and the tyres really.
What's this here? Oh, that was a strange crash. If we have a behind view of that, I would like to see what happened, because he was off
they
the
come
bike.
up towards Blanchimon. Is he going to get through? Ollie Goethe leaves the door open, and Roman Stanek gives him the point. That's like karting there, isn't it? Oh no, big contact, big incident there. Roman Stanek and Ollie Goethe off. Big crash. Jumping out of the car, Zane Maloney, we saw him walking away, and Ollie Goethe now jumps out of the car as well. A real
Crashing
shame.
off the road. The stage was stopped. The new European champion and his co-driver Sarah got out of the car to be checked later by medical staff.
Moment there ahead of him. Oh, I was watching, I was on board. I think that was Brinton there. Oh, it was a huge crash. Oh, huge crash here.
Well, surely this will be at least a safety car. Sullivan Mounsey made a great start. You can see him slowing there. Boom, contacted by Harley McCabe. Bailey Stewart Campbell had absolutely nowhere to go. Look at McCabe into the barrier on the left-hand side. Total chaos on the opening start of this race here at Brands Hatch, and it is a minor miracle that everybody you're seeing involved in this incident has escaped major injuries.
We're going to take a look back at this. So this is Robin Larson, comes over. Sorry, this is backward. Larson came over first and bicycled, as in two wheels. He got away with it, as you see.
But wait,
Andreas
there's more.
didn't. Now watching the background, left of shot.
Oh, man. So, unfortunately, Andreas backroot, and here comes Fraser McConnell, the pride of Jamaica, and it gets worse. The beauty of this is that they're okay. They are okay. The cars have seen better days. And we talked about, you know, in the open, we're talking about last
For you, those watching on Flow Racing, it's right there in your face. And oh, he seen him get on the monitors. Right rear was down on that 67 car. It looked like that was shredded before that thing went awry.
Yeah, he just skidded.
I'm pretty sure he blew the right rear.
Oh, Suarez. Briscoe got into the back of Suarez, and he gets pounded.
Dang it. Oh, pushes upside down.
I think he hooked a drain.
Nessas motos de menor cilindrada ali, é flat, sol, café.
Ana Lima segura. Ana Lima. Passou reta Ana Lima.
No corre más en todo el año con pilotos invitados. Aquí está, a ver. Aquí está Olave. Bustos.
Ahí es el toque. Mirá, impresionante, ¿eh? Bueno.
Tremendo.
Around Monaco of the year, but Hughes, he's all action right now. Oh! And that's horrible. That's a big crash. He'd been on the limit all the way through. He'd been into the barriers before.
Que se viene quizás